Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video, guys. We got some news fresh off the press. VeChain is getting into gaming, guys. This is amazing. Leave about 4-5 comments down below. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for me. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. Price, meh, we're here. Let's move on to the news. All right, so taking a look, guys. VeChain and Digital Village, please. You ain't donated to Eisenreich yet? What are you doing, man? Hit the link in the description below. Hit the VeChain Addy. All right? Send him a couple VeChain. 1, 2, 3 VeChain, guys. Come on. Donate to the man. Thank you, Eisenreich, for breaking this. VeChain and Digital Village. DV is a multiplayer social metaverse with the digital economy powered by the Village protocol blockchain. We utilize VeChain to create smart contract-based accounts for users interested in purchasing digital items. So this seems to me kind of like Decentraland, kind of like Vulcanverse, kind of like those types of metaverse types of games. This is pretty awesome. They're using VeChain. Sonny Lou is cited here as well. And we can see this is the concept of the game here. Obviously, it's in its early stages. I think it's going to get cleaned up. And then VeChain.org. Furthermore, our services automatically utilize an external blockchain process available through VeChain.org. The purpose of the blockchain process is to track and create smart contract-based accounts for each individual user interested in purchasing digital items from the initial sellers to the services, as well as to validate the user's claim for the digital asset item. Likewise, smart contract-based accounts shall be created in the blockchain process for initial users for the purposes of authenticating issuance of digital items from the initial designer to the individual user, guys. So this is pretty awesome. Again, authenticating items, NFTs, one-of-a-kind items. This is pretty awesome. So Digital Village posts announcing the first glimpse of real-time sustainable multiplayer metaverse connected to a social marketplace, the groundbreaking step that merges physical and digital world on its own social blockchain technology titled Village Protocol at Village Protocol, and allows real utility of digital assets. So they're still working on it. Guys, the blend between the digital verse and the metaverse is slowly combining. All right, guys, our phones that we use every single day are becoming a part of us. Let's just think, if you lose your phone today, be honest, you'd feel like a part of your body was missing. We carry all of our data here. We carry all of our personal contacts, our memories, conversations with people that we love and adore. Some we even hate. So this computer brain interface that we use each and every day, the computers that we use each and every day are slowly becoming more and more integrated into who we are as human beings. We are slowly becoming more and more cyborgish, may I say, and metaverse. We already see it with the coming generation. I'm a big gamer. A lot of my friends are huge gamers. We could literally spend all day gaming, all day in the metaverse, all day creating our own stories. What do you think is going to happen with the younger generation rising up? With augmented technology, augmented reality, virtual reality, creating entire worlds on the internet, on the blockchain, guys. This is the future, okay? It's going to be on the Unreal Engine, which is pretty cool. And I cannot wait to see more of this. Now, let's take a look here. Thank you to Eisenreich again. Hit the VeChain Addy, bro. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit more about this. NFT marketplace, of course. Actually, let's read this one. This one is a bit more concise. This is the press release. We're going to go through it, guys, because I want to. Today, Digital Village IO announced the upcoming launch of their NFT marketplace as well, with 300 plus NFT assets from 60 plus sustainable designers. The digital ecosystem Village is powered by their social technology blockchain infrastructure called Village Protocol and is designed to visualize the interaction with the blockchain, allowing users to choose when and how they interact with the technology. Digital Village has designed a completely new gamified interaction between user and the underlying blockchain, VeChain, creating an environment and infrastructure that defines the asset value and lifecycle assessment through an interactive social interface. Village Protocol furthermore allows users to mirror the digital world experiences in the physical world and vice versa. The launch of the project, hyper-created Metaverse, is scheduled for September 2021, consisting of 6 zones, and the DV Metaverse designed selected architects connected to the DV marketplace, where users can log in and have the same DV meta profile connect seamlessly with the marketplace within the Metaverse. This allows users to utilize their assets, build communities, customize their personalities and individual needs. Now, they will have a token here, and I assume that it will be on the VeChain blockchain because they're using the blockchain for it. So let's take a look. They're preparing for an ICO and is in the process of further expanding through collaborators and investments. Further capital infusion will allow Digital Village to expand, be built for new platforms, host global events, and create dynamic weather systems, achieve body customization, create digital assets. Now, I don't know how they're going to finish all of that by September, but hey, maybe just the beta version will be scheduled for September, but I don't know how they're going to create all the games systems in, a couple of months. That's a tall task. But they're going to create a digital currency called the Digital Village Token, DVC, within the Digital Village. It's a new social incentivizing system. These tokens are special as they are the opposite of the like button, an oversimplified interaction tool which is known to foster negative comparisons on social media. DV coins will help users support one another for doing good and taking a forward-thinking initiative in the real world and in the digital metaverse. This is hugely positive consequences for behavioral development, as the DV coins are a currency upon which users earn their reputation based on their actions. Social credit coming to DV. Dun dun dun. Digital Village will be hosting a formal opening of its curated infrastructure, marketplace, and metaverse. Okay, so they're just going to be opening the infrastructure, not the game. I was like, they cannot create the game in 3 months. Like, that's impossible. But it's just the infrastructure. Hopefully we can see like what they're going to be doing, how it looks a little bit, a little bit more fleshed out designs by September 2021. And that's reasonable. So guys, just, right out, hot off the presses. Again, it's going to be on Unreal Engine. The Village Protocol, DV coin, we talked about that a little bit. Let's see if we can explore a little bit. I just want us to register here. Stolen link. I ain't really trying to do all that right now. So cool, guys. This is amazing. The marketplace and all this stuff is not available right now, but that's okay. All right, guys. So that's all the info I got for you. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. Are you interested in this? Let me know what you think. All right, we have our wonderful Patreon subscriber here. Go ahead and hit that Addy as well. That's going to be in the description below too. So y'all know what to do. Come on. Bread Garlic House here. Coming with that fire yet again. He has a thread. He's going to talk about a big development in the adoption of blockchain technology. Sunny Lou once said his dream is to have millions of people using VeChain without knowing anything about crypto. This one important step towards that goal. Let's go ahead and give this a retweet and a like. If you look at everything VeChain Official has been building, they have always been towards the goal. The network allows a sponsor to pay for the transaction of a user so the end user does not have to bother about holding crypto. Sync 2 dynamically creates wallets for the end user to sign a transaction without having to know what a wallet is. POA 2.0 brings block finality to ensure integrity of the blockchain. And toolchain, blockchain as a service capabilities to entities without worrying about interacting with layer 0. Again, creating low code ways to create a whole blockchain infrastructure if you need that. And many more. Why? Because the use case and the UX is important. Not all of the tech has been made on the VeChain only public blockchain to build applications on. Just like you would with Azure and AWS, not on Ethereum, not on Polkadot. I don't know about, I ain't really going to say that. Cardano does create a way for us to create a financial operating system, and you can build robust decentralized enterprise applications on Cardano too. You can do that on Ethereum and you can do that on Polkadot. But I get it. We're VeChain. This is a VeChain channel right now. The San Marino Green vaccine. Oh, I skipped one. VeChain was the first chains to properly implement NFTs in the form of X-Node tokens. While the other chains used to deploy and trade meaningless memes and GIFs as NFTs, VeChain has taken the concept further with eNFTs that are relevant in the real world to real people. The San Marino Green Vaccine Passport is a perfect example of that. Here you have a GDPR compliant solution that is not only scalable, but usable by all stakeholders without having to know anything about the blockchain and enjoying all of its benefits. And I would agree with that. That is a big thing, guys. I mean, as much as you guys are loyal and I love y'all so much, trust me, like, you guys are amazing. Thank you for watching my show. I know you guys don't like when I get sappy and stuff and I be like, oh, thank you, I cried the other day. But you guys gotta understand, all right? Like, you guys are amazing. You guys come here every day. You support the channel, and I'll get back to the news. Don't worry. But, it's amazing to have a community that shows up each and every day. And as much as I love you guys, and as much as you guys hold down the fort, we are in special company, guys. You have to understand, most people in the world, like most average Joes, if you see 100 people today, probably 5 of them, maybe even 3 of them will know what the heck we're talking about on a daily basis. Maybe even less. Maybe you'll get 2 people. All right. We are very niche. Okay. People out here in this world do not care about blockchain yet. They do not care about VeChain yet. They do not care about the day-to-day musings of crypto. Okay. Most people only care about Netflix and I don't know. I don't even know what the new thing is now, but most people are living their own life, okay? The normies do normie stuff. People don't care about blockchain right now, yet. So, having it to where blockchain is integrated into the systems that you don't even know about, like, people are not going to know what Alta Prism is made by Cardano. They're just going to know, oh, I'm going to sign in so I can show my teacher the grades that I had so that they can verify me in Africa. They're not going to know that it's by IOHK and Cardano and on the blockchain. So it's important to have these systems seamlessly integrated into the daily lives of people. Again, the VeChain MyCare app. People don't really care that it's on the blockchain. They just want to access their records. They just want their medical records to be readily available so that they could prove vaccination pass, so that they could travel, or, be able to have a portable version of their vaccination records and their medical records. They don't care that it's from the blockchain. We do, because we're investors. So that's important, guys. That's really important. Immutable and trustworthy public. Compared to the hodgepodge of terrible vaccine passports several nations have developed so far that are neither scalable, or efficient, or interoperable. That's true. This is the blockchain being useful in the real world, not El Salvador using Bitcoin. Well, I'm not going to agree with that, but not people, whoever selling nonsense of NFTs, not certainly passive yield generating by moon safe, totally legit finance. Now, I agree with that, but El Salvador adopting Bitcoin is definitely a major step for blockchain adoption, and you can't really look past that, in my humble opinion. Is San Marino small? Sure. Does that make this development insignificant? I don't agree. Not in the least. What this is an agile nation setting an example that much larger nations can learn from, using blockchain to solve a real problem more elegantly with legacy tech. I would agree. This is what I call a big development. Blockchain shouldn't be a solution looking for a problem. It should be an enabler, helping us create elegant solutions that were not previously possible. Indeed. Like I have said before, most crypto projects have a token first approach. VeChain always puts the customer requirements first and has built an infrastructural behemoth. I would agree. And just happens that crypto token is attached. So if you want to see crypto go mainstream, back to one company that is actually doing something about it, VeChain and VTHO. I'm thinking about picking up a big old bag of VTHO. We got a whole video on VTHO coming soon, guys. Do not worry, that's coming. I'm gonna break down VTHO. I'm gonna tell you why I'm thinking about buying VTHO. I'm gonna give you guys a price prediction, even though I hate giving price predictions, but that's coming soon. And then finally, while you keep yourselves busy by listening to useless S coins by the bucket load, the one project you've been dragging your feet on is getting national level adoption in a European nation, just saying. So I agree with most of what you said there, Bread. I appreciate you, man. You always come in with that heat and that fire. Hit up that VeChain tip jar. He makes a lot of good posts here. VeChain is for the enterprises, guys, and that's one way to attack it. There's a lot of ways to attack it. Cardano's doing a community-driven approach. Bitcoin community-driven. Ethereum's doing developer-driven approach. We're doing an enterprise-driven approach. So there's a lot of good ways to attack the situation. I'm excited for NFTs. I can't wait for NFTs on Cardano to come out. There's going to be a marketplace. I want to host art down there, guys. Comment down below if you're an artist. Maybe we can DM me on Twitter. We can work something out. That'd be great. All right, guys, let's go ahead and wrap things up here. I know I was very long-winded today. We've got 1,046 days to the next Bitcoin block halving, and we're down. But that's okay. I mean, it is what it is. Well, not down, but, nothing too spectacular going on. So I'm not even really going to waste my breath here. Just kind of moving sideways. Hopefully a coin explodes soon, and we can talk about it. So thank you to our wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ, Bergalikas, McHarris, Sergio, Les Nielsen, Fernline, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland for Crypto, Bruce Wayne, Feruz Den, Brady Amsdale, Jimenez, Kyle Bocci, CryptoSVT.si, Eric Parr, Edited the Voice for the People, HPDSouthBay.com, Ryan Ingram, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax, CH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, C. Vale, Maker.com, STEM.org, Leon Jackson, Jacob Connor, and Yaya. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. I love y'all so much. Don't let your memes be dreams. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Nope. Keep saying that. Force of habit. Sorry. I'll talk to you soon with the Cardano updates. Get it together, Boomin. Love y'all. Have a good day. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Bye.